हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपका 11वां लेक्चर है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टेक्नोलॉजी का, यूनिट सेकंड का। तो इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे इफेक्ट ऑफ टूल रैक एंगल ऑन मशीनेबिलिटी इन मशीनिंग लाइक टर्निंग डक्टाइल मटेरियल्स द मेन कटिंग force PZ decreases as typically shown in figure. Then 10F, the expansion clearly shows that increase in gamma reduce PZ through reduction in cutting strain, chip reduction coefficient, and hence tau s and the form factor. But too much increase in rack weakens the cutting edge both mechanically and thermally and may cause premature failure of the tool. Presence of inclination angle lambda enhance effective rack angle and thus help in further reduction in cutting force. However, the tool rack angle does not affect surface finish that significantly. Role of variation of different machining parameters of factors of machinability of work material. The machinability characteristics of their criteria, that is the magnitude of cutting force and temperature, tool life and surface finish are governed or the influence of more or less by the variable of factors involved in machining such as properties of वर्क मटेरियल की प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या क्या हैं, कटिंग टूल, मटेरियल एंड ज्योमेट्री। कटिंग टूल का मटेरियल क्या है और उसकी ज्योमेट्री कैसी है। ये ज्योमेट्री का मतलब होता है एंगल्स, बैक रैक एंगल, साइड रैक एंगल, एंड कटिंग एज एंगल, साइड कटिंग एज एंगल, क्लियरेंस एंगल, नोज रेडियस एटसेट्रा। मशीनिंग एनवायरनमेंट में आता है कटिंग फ्लूइड एंड देयर एप्लीकेशन। तो मशीनेबिलिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एनी वर्क tool pair may also be further affected by strength, rigidity, and stability of machine, kind of machining operation done in a given machining tool, function, aspects of special techniques if employed, the role of properties of the work material on machinability. The work material properties are generally grown machinability in various extent are the basic nature, यानी कि ब्रिटल है या डक्टाइल है, माइक्रो स्ट्रक्चर, मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ, हार्डनेस, हॉट स्ट्रेंथ एंड हॉट हार्डनेस, वर्क हार्डनेबिलिटी, थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी, केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी and stiffness. The machining of brittle and ductile material. In general, brittle material are relatively more easily machinable, for the chip separation is affected by brittle fracture, requiring lesser energy of chip formation. Shorter chip causes lesser frictional force and heating at the rack surface. For instance, compared to even mild steel, grey cast iron jobs produce much lesser cutting forces and temperature. Smooth and continuous chip formation is likely to enable mild steel produce better surface finish, but is form was worse to the surface finish for machining like turning and ductile material. अब आगे इसमें चलते हैं हम अगर, तो आगे रोल ऑफ माइक्रोस्ट्रक्चर का क्या रोल होता है। द वैल्यू ऑफ टाउ एस ऑफ ए गिवन मटेरियल डिपेंड्स सीजेबली ऑन इट्स microstructure. Coarse microstructures lead to lesser value of tau s, therefore tau s can be desirably free cutting stresses। हमने ये प्रीवियस लेक्चर में इनको पढ़ लिया था, एक बार और देख लेते हैं। hardened materials are obvious more difficult to machine and increasing cutting forces and tool damage. Usually with the increase in cutting velocity, the cutting forces decreases to the some extent, making machining easier. The reduction in tau s and also chip thickness, tau s decreases due to softening of the work material at the shear zone due to the elevated temperature. Such benefits of increased temperature and cutting velocity are not attained when the work material are hot, strong and hard, like Ti and Ni based superalloys, and work hardening like high managed steel, Ni hard head filled steel, etc. Now role of cutting tool Material and geometry and machining any work material. So machining a given material, the tool life is governed mainly by the tool material, which also influence cutting forces and temperature, as well as the accuracy of the finish of the machined surface. The composition, microstructure, strength, hardness, toughness, wear resistance, chemical stability, and thermal conductivity of the tool material play significant role on the machinability characteristics, though in different degree depending upon the properties of the work material. Schid- Schematically shows how is turning materials like steel, the tool material affect tool life at varying cutting velocity, higher high wear resistance, and chemical stability of the cutting tools like coated carbides, ceramics, cubic boron nitride, etc. also help in providing better surface integrity of the product by reducing friction, cutting temperature, and BUE formation in high speed machining of steels. Very soft, sticky, and chemically reactive materials like pure aluminum attains highest machinability when machined by diamond tool. Of development and application of advanced tool material, that is coated carbide. The properties and performance of carbide tools could be substantially improved by refining microstructure, manufacturing by casting, expensive and uncommon surface coating made remarkable contribution. Thin but hard coating of single or multi-layer of more stable and heat and wear resistance materials like TIC, TICN, TIOCN, TIN, Al2O3, etc. on the tough carbide inserts by process like chemical vapor deposition, CVD, physical vapor deposition, PVD, etc. at controlled pressure and temperature, enhance MRR and overall machining economy remarkably. Reduction of cutting forces and power consumption increases in tool life by 200 to 50% for VC, or increase in VC by 50 to 150% for same tool. Effective and efficient machining of wide range of work materials, pollution control by less or no use of cutting fluid, reduction of abrasion, adhesion and diffusion wear, reduction of friction and BOE formation, heat resistance and reduction of thermal cracking and plastic deformation. नाउ द अब फिगर मशीनिंग कोटेड मटेरियल्स, इसमें दिखाया है कि कोटेड मटेरियल्स के थ्रू किस तरह मशीनिंग करने से मशीनेबिलिटी बढ़ाई जा सकती है, टूल लाइफ को बढ़ाया जा सकता है, टूल वियर को कम किया जा सकता है. द कटिंग वेलोसिटी रेंज ऑफ मशीनिंग माइल्ड स्टील कुड बी इनहेंस फ्रॉम 150 to 120 to 150 meter per minute to 300 to 350 meter per minute by properly coating of suitable carbide insert. About 50% of carbide tools being used at present are coated carbides, which are obviously to same extent costlier than the uncoated tools. Different variation of coated tools are available. The appropriation one is selected depending upon the type of cutting tool, work material, and the desired properties of the product quality. The properties and performance of a coated insert and tools are getting further improved by refining the microstructure of coating, multi-layering up to 13 layer within 12 to 16 micrometer, direct coating by TIN instead of TIC if feasible, using better coated materials. Ceramides. These sintered hard inserts are made of combined from ceramics and TIC, NIC or TICN, and matte from the binder like NI, NICO, FE, etc. Since around 1980, the modern ceramides providing much better performance are being made of TiCN, which is consistently more wear resistant, less porous and easier. Now comes to tool wear, failure of cutting tools. अब ये मशीनेबिलिटी में ख़त्म होके यहाँ से टूल वियर स्टार्ट होता है। और टूल वियर कितने तरीके का होता है, क्या क्या होता है टूल वियर के अंदर, चीज़ें हम अभी पढ़ेंगे। टूल वियर के बारे में थोड़ा सा यहाँ से पढ़ते हैं। फेलर ऑफ कटिंग टूल, स्मूथ सेफ एंड इकोनॉमिक मशीनिंग नेसेसिटी। कटिंग टूल के फेल होने से क्या होगा, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ फेल ऑफ कटिंग टूल, इसको बचाया जा सकता है। रिडक्शन ऑफ रेट टू द टूल टू prolong its life, to accomplish and enforcing subjective, one should first know why and how the cutting tool fails। तो कटिंग टूल्स फेल कैसे कैसे होते हैं। मैकेनिकल ब्रेकेज ड्यू टू द excessive force and shock, such kind of tool failure is random and catastrophic in nature and hence extremely detrimental. Quick dulling by plastic deformation due to the intensive stresses and temperature. Gradual wear of the cutting tool at its flanks and rack surface. The first two modes of the tool failure are very harmful, not only for the tool but also for the job and the machine tool. And these kinds of tool failure need to be prevented by using suitable tool material and geometry depending upon the work material and cutting condition. But failure by gradual wear, which is inevitable, cannot be prevented due to, but can be slow down only to enhance the service life of the tool. The cutting tool is withdrawn immediately after it fails, or if possible, just before it totally fails. It it is understood or considered that the tool has failed or about to fail by one or more of the following conditions. In R&D laboratories, total breakdown of the tool or tool tip, massive fracture at the cutting edges. In machining industry, excessive current or power consumption, excessive vibration and abnormal sound, tool breakage, dimensional deviation beyond tolerance, rapid worsening of surface finish, adverse chip formation, mechanics and pattern of cutting tool wear। ये हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में। अभी आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही। ओके, थैंक यू।